Dear children, today we will do revision of the times tables done in the last week and single digit multiplication. We will also have a recap of skip counting. What is this bee doing in this picture? She is jumping on the flowers. Rather, we can say she is hopping on the flowers. And how is she hopping? Do you see any pattern? She hopped first of all on flower number 3, then on 6, then on 9, then on 12, then on 15 and 18. How did she do that? Yes, she added 3 to each number, and the first number where she had landed is 3. So when she added 3 to 3, she got 6. Then she added 3 to 6 and she got 9. And she landed on ninth flower. Then again she added 3, she got on 12th. Then again she added 3, she got on 15. And then she again added 3 and she got on the 18th flower. So children, did you see how smart this bee is? She learned the times table of 3 by skip counting. You can also do that. Let's see how to write the times table of 2 quickly. First, we make a grid of 5 by 2 and write the even numbers from 2 to 8 and 0 in the last box. Same in both the rows. Then we will write 0 in the first row and 1 in the second row. And here we have the table of 2. Trick to write the table of 3. We first make a grid of 3 by 3 and start writing from 1 from the first column like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 0 in the first row, 1 in the second row and 2 in the third row. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. We have got the table of 3. Now let's learn how to write the times table of 4. To write the times table of 4, we first write the numbers from 1 to 40 and we will write it in 4 columns from 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30 and 31 to 40. Then what we will do? We will do skip counting starting from 4. So we circle 4. Then we will skip by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and we reach 8. Then we will again skip by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12 we will circle now. Then again skip by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach 16. Circle 16. Then again skip count by 4, 17, 18, 19, 20 and so on. In this way children, we get the times table of 4. So here's the times table of 4. We recite it like this. 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12, 4 fours are 16, 5 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24, 7 fours are 28, 8 fours are 32, 9 fours are 36 and 10 fours are 40. In this way children, you will learn the times table of 4. Children, we can multiply numbers by writing them horizontally in rows or in vertical columns like this. Children, now you have learned the tables of 2 and 3. So let's do these multiplication sums vertically. Now you know 2 3s are 6. So we write 6 under the ones column. Now let's take 2 multiplied by 5, that is 2 5s are 10. So we write 10. 0 will go in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. Now let's multiply 3 by 6. So you know that 3 6s are 18. So we write 18. 8 in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. What is 3 multiplied by 0 children? You know that any number multiplied by 0 gives us a 0 because any number taken 0 time is 0. So 3 zeros are 0. Learn the times table by heart to do the rest of the sums. In our next class, we will be doing table of 5. See you again. Bye.